Good day, everyone. I'm Kenneth Roque from HM3B, and here's my reflection video in Chapter 6 to 12. In Chapter 6, Operations and Strategy in Tourism and Hospitality Industry. Operation strategy is crucial in the tourism and hospitality industry, as it enhances efficiency and ensures that delivery of exceptional guest experiences. Business can manage expenses, promote innovation, and provide consistent service delivery by coordinating operational activities. It also requires adapting to seasonal demand, managing supply chain complexity, and embracing technological advancements. Sustainability has emerged as a major operational emphasis as a companies seek to maximize resources efficiency while reducing their environmental effect. Ultimately, a strong operational strategy helps build customer loyalty, secure competitive edge, and drive long-term success. And for Chapter 7, Quality Management and Control, effective quality management and control are essential for ensuring the product and services meet customers' expectations. Quality management involves managing the refining process across the organization through planning, monitoring, and ongoing improvement efforts. Meanwhile, quality control especially target the definitions and correction of defect through expectation and testing. When combined, these procedures reduce waste, increase operational effectiveness, and identify issues early. When properly executed, they enhance client pleasure, ensure constant quality, and fortify the company's standing. For Chapter 8, Budget. A budget is a financial plan that outlines future activities and goals. Usually, it is stated in the financial terms, outlining the anticipated revenue and cost of the company. The organizations performs a evaluated using the budget as a standard. It helps measure how well the business is achieving the financial objectives. Ultimately, a budget provides a clear framework from deciding making and financial control. For Chapter 9, Productivity. Since productivity measures the amount of outline generated in relation to the resources used, it is critical component in promoting efficient and success. Enhancing productivity often means refining a process, minimizing waste, and leveraging technology to emphasize operations. This may lead to power prices, fast delivery, and high quality goods and service. However, achieving the high productivity requires a balance between work land, employee well being, and frustrating innovation. For Chapter 10, Efficiency and Effectiveness. For any business to work as its best, efficiency and effectiveness are essential. Efficiency emphasizes completing tasks with the least amount of resources, time, and effort, aiming to minimize waste and boost productivity. Effectiveness, on the other hand, is concerned with reaching the intended objective or result, independent of the amount of resources used. An effective organization aims to strike a balance between both ensuring tasks and completed efficiently, while also reaching the desired outcome. For Chapter 11, Supply Chain Operation. Supply chain operation are essential for the seamless movement of goods and service from suppliers to customers. Customer satisfaction, cost reduction, and productivity are also enhanced by effective supply chain management. Coordinating tasks like production, distribution, inventory management, and procurement is necessary to guarantee on-time product delivery. Technology advancements such as automation and data analytics are revolutionizing supply chain by enhancing precious and efficiency. Lastly, Chapter 12, Sales Performance Monitoring and Labor Cost Computation. Sales performance monitoring is essential for evaluating how effectively a business is achieving its revenue goals and pinpointing area for improvement. Businesses are able to improve performance by making well-informed decisions by monitoring important sales metrics, including conversion rates, average transaction value, and customer satisfaction. Computed labor costs are also essential since they assist keep personal costs under control while guaranteeing that employees contribute as much as possible to operations. Analyzing labor cost in relation to sales allow businesses identify efficiencies and adjusting staffing or workflows accordingly. Once again, I'm Kenneth Roque from HM3B. Here's my reflection video in chapter 6 to 12. Thanks for watching.